Ever tried to use CarPlay in your Ram 1500 and found nothing happens? Let's break down the simple steps to get you back on the road, connected. First, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS update. Outdated software is a common cause of CarPlay issues. Next, unplug your phone and connect it again using your original USB cable. Some third-party cables just don't cut it. Still not working? Try restarting both your phone and your truck's infotainment system. If you're using wireless CarPlay, check that both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on. Go into your phone's settings, tap General, then CarPlay, and make sure your Ram 1500 is listed. If not, set it up again by following the on-screen prompts. Finally, check your truck's USB port. Sometimes there's just dust or debris causing the problem. And remember, some Ram 1500 models only support CarPlay through specific USB ports, usually marked with a smartphone icon. If you've tried all this, and it's still not working, it might be time to visit your dealership for a deeper check. With these simple steps, you'll be back to enjoying your drive, playlist and all, in no time.